Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm happy to announce a new giveaway kindly sponsored by Banggood. As you may know, most of the Chinese vendors are off to celebrate the Chinese New Year, the year of the metal rat, which starts on January 25th. You need to be aware that when placing an order during the Chinese New Year from a Chinese vendor, your items are likely to be sent only in the end of the month. In addition, you're also very likely to face difficulties when trying to reach customer support. As for the giveaway, one of you lucky subscribers is going to win the Happy Model Mobula6, a micro quadcopter that I really like, which is going to be directly sent to the winner by Banggood. In order to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, leave a single comment down below, and also make sure to hit the notifications bell, so in case you are the winner, you're not going to miss out. After the Chinese New Year is over, next month, I'm going to announce the big winner. In case you wonder why the Runcam Nano 3 is not connected to the all-in-one flat controller, first of all, I disconnected it in order to compare it with the Runcam Nano 2, and in addition, I also tried unsuccessfully to solve the jello issue. I discussed this problem with Happy Model, and first of all, since this is an array production unit, the issue is not very noticeable on the production versions since the camera is soft mounted, and they're also working on a different mount in order to make this problem disappear. So I wish you good luck on the giveaway and a happy and prosperous Chinese New Year. I would like to thank Banggood for sponsoring this giveaway and of course all of you, my subscribers, for your continued support. See you in my next videos and goodbye.